We're here on opening night for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, our Benny's musical for 2024. So exciting to see everyone here tonight. It's been a long time coming. It is buzzing literally with everything happening with all the food stalls and all that sort of things, but we can't wait to show the community all the hard work that's gone behind the scenes to bring this show to life.
It's about a little boy with a big dream that him and his family aren't very sure if he'll ever be able to achieve, and then he gets a pretty big bit of good luck and goes on to do some incredible things. So I think it shows that, you don't have to come from an incredible place, reach your dreams and, do big things.
I can't believe that we actually started this process in term 4 last year. And the growth of development from that first time that we stood there, we talked to the kids about, this is what we're doing, we're putting on this show, we're doing Charlie, the excitement of that. And then all of a sudden we're here, we're show night, and they are confident and they're comfortable and they're smiling and they're acting and they're singing and they're loud and they're beautiful. They're just loving every moment of it.
There's probably over 220 students involved in the musical this time around, which is phenomenal. We have about 140 on the stage alone, which is massive. And obviously we have all the cast and crew that work behind the scenes, including our business services students, our hospitality students, everyone really coming together to make this come to life.
My name's Brianna Newell and I was in the graduating class of 2022. I was in the production of The Addams Family and I played Morticia, one of the lead roles. I was asked back by Benny's in my capacity as an ex-student to mentor and participate in this production. So I'm a pit singer and we're just adding volume to the ensemble vocals.
Benny's Musicals is a celebration of community, both on and off the stage. It's so good to see so many people come back, lots of ex-students or even just people from the community who want to see what Benny's is all about.
So when we're thinking about our co-curricular framework, we're thinking about these 3 tiers that we have in terms of elevate, excel for those girls who are a little bit stronger, and then those girls who just want to explore. And I think that's the beautiful thing about this musical is that really we get to see girls do everything that they in their own realm of learning. So we have the chorus members who just want to explore, they just want to try out, see what happens by singing and learning a little bit about acting, being on the stage. We have those girls who are already excelling in dancing, lead dancers. They audition to be a part of this show, and so being able to stretch them beyond their normal capabilities that we have. And then obviously we have our lead characters who are already strong. They're elevated in what they do. That's really excelling in that area of strengths for them.
So I actually do feel very lucky to have been in 3 of the college's musicals. So in year 7, I was in Beauty and the Beast. I was in the chorus. And then in year 10, I was in the Addams Family as a featured ancestor. And then this year I'm playing Grandma Georgina.
What really excites me is when students from all abilities find their thing and start to believe that they can actually do whatever it is that they put their mind to. Just seeing that little sparkle in their eye when they realise that they can actually do it, that gives me real joy, and that's the part that I think encapsulates the co-curricular program, is just that journey of that learning and actually believing in themselves and then finally getting to the end and giving themselves a pat on the back.
It has taken time for our programs to grow, and music is a really good example of this because we have actually grown that musical orchestra to the point where most of our students that are playing tonight are from our orchestra, and that's because our co-curricular programs are fundamentally underpinning the growth and development of our students.
I'm so grateful for the MSB Ex-Student Association for sponsoring us to come back and support the cast and crew of the current musical. Being in the musicals was one of my favourite memories back when I was a student, so it's just exciting to be part of that magic again.
I think I would really recommend being part of the college musical to anyone coming to Benny's. I think it's such an incredible opportunity, and it's the experience of a lifetime that really you can't find many other places.